we expect to have 13 military aircraft go into Kathmandu. 4 of them are C-17s, 3 of them are C-130s, 4 of them are IL-76s, and 2 of them are AN-32s. In addition, we had some civil aircraft going in the morning, 2 Air India aircraft and 1 jet to bring back Indians who were stranded there. Now, in terms of what has gone in today for rescue and relief, we've had, now some of it has already happened because out of these 13 aircraft, 5 have landed in Kathmandu, the others are on their way. We had a bit of a break because, as you know, there were aftershocks today in Kathmandu which closed the airport for some time, but by evening, late evening, we expect to have all 13 in. Now, what is and has gone into Kathmandu today are parts of 3 army field hospitals, engineering task force, a medical contingent of civilian medical doctors, along with 2 tons of medical supplies, which has been organized by the Ministry of Health and Family Welfare. We've had 3 more NDRF teams. Yesterday, 7 teams went in. Those 7 teams are already deployed. 2 of them are in Patan, 2 of them are in Swayambhu, 3 of them are in Bhaktapur. Today, 3 more teams have gone in. They will be deploying very soon. We are expecting in the next few days 6 more teams of NDRF to go in. In terms of supplies, there are 10 tons of blankets and tents which have been lifted, 50 tons of water which have been supplied by the railways, and 22 tons of food material which have been contributed by different states and voluntary organizations. Now, in addition to these 13 fixed-wing aircraft which are going into Kathmandu, there are already 6 Mi-17 helicopters which moved this morning to Kathmandu. Their operations are being coordinated. Our understanding is that they've already been active in rescuing and bringing people who have been injured in the earthquake. There are 2 more ALHS, Army ALHS, and 4 more Mi-17s which are on standby. So this is the air deployment and the supplies and personnel who have gone in today. Again, I underline that our rapid rescue and relief response to the situation in Nepal is our primary mission.